Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect lip makeup look. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a beginner, this tutorial will guide you through the steps for beautiful, long-lasting lip color. So let us get started. Step 1. Exfoliate and moisturize. First things first, it's important to start with a clean canvas. Gently exfoliate your lips using a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove any dead skin. Then, apply a hydrating lip balm to ensure a smooth base for your lipstick. Step 2. Prime your lips next. Apply a lip primer or a bit of your foundation to your lips. This will help create an even base and make your lip color last longer. Step 3. Outline your lips using a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. Start by outlining your lips. Begin at the Cupid's bow and work your way to the outer corners. This step helps define the shape of your lips and prevents your lipstick from feathering. Step 4. Fill in your lips now. Using the same lip liner, gently fill in your lips. This provides a solid base for your lipstick and ensures even color distribution. Step 5. Apply lipstick. Choose your favorite lipstick shade and start applying it from the center of your lips outwards. For a more precise application, you can use a lip brush. Make sure to stay within the lines you've created with the lip liner. Step 6. Blend and perfect. Gently press your lips together to blend the color and ensure an even application. If needed, you can use a cotton swab to clean up any edges for a polished look. Step 7. Add a pop of highlight. Optional for an extra touch of glamour. You can dab a bit of highlighter on your Cupid's bow to make your lips appear fuller and more defined. Step 8. Set your lip makeup to lock in your lip color and increase its longevity. Lightly dust a translucent setting powder over your lips. This step will help prevent any smudging or feathering. Conclusion. And there you have it. The perfect lip makeup look that's sure to turn heads. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.